Hello students, today we are going to solve 11th problem. Question is given as a benchmark with reduced level 155.305 meter has been established at the floor of a room. Here the floor of a room is just like this and RL is given as 155.305 meter. It is required to find out the RL of the underside of the roof. Here a roof is shown like this, that is denoted by capital R, and here the level is like this. Now here one staff is placed and here an inverted staff is placed just like this, and it is the line of sight from the level. Now the backside to the benchmark has been observed as 1.500 meter. It means that this reading is 1.500 meter, whereas the forebearing to R has been observed as 0.575 meter. It means that this reading is 0.575 meter. Now the RL of R will be, now we need to find the RL of R. So RL of R will be equals to RL of benchmark, which is shown here, that is benchmark, okay, plus backside reading plus foresight reading. Now RL of benchmark is already given, that is 155.305, backside reading is given as 1.500 and foresight reading is given as 0.575. On adding all these values, that is 155.305 plus 1.500 plus 0.575, it will be equals to 157.380. So RL of R will be equals to 157.380 meter. That will be the required solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.